happened today was a clear abandonment of responsibility, a dereliction of duty, and a blatant disregard of the rules that govern this institution. Because the Senate cannot be made to stop working simply because its presiding officer made a procedural lapse. It is a Cayetano should resign as he has shown that he cannot function as the leader of the Senate anymore. Thank you.
That's a joint statement.
That is our joint statement of the SB 11, the minority. That was
Sir, nag-attempt po ba kayo na kontakin si SP? O kahit sino sa majority? Through the secretary yan.
So sir, ano expectation tomorrow? Magkakaroon pa ba ng session or wala na
We'll be here because that's our duty.
And we appeal to all our colleagues. They should attend session. It is their duty. Binabayaran tayo ng taong bayan para magtrabaho, para mag-legislate. Hindi para mag-absent lamang at magbulakbol.
Sir, nakikita yung agenda.
Paano po tomorrow, last session day?
Na lang, follow, like, and share ang atong video.